Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Biology Explained. In today's video, I am going to talk about our indigenous vaccine, that is the vaccine that is being developed by India, and also I will give you an update about the vaccine progress worldwide. India is also trying to develop a vaccine against the current pandemic COVID-19, and the vaccine is named Covaxin. The Covaxin is the first in-home made vaccine candidate that got approval for trial. The trial will start across India in July. The vaccine is developed by Bharat Biotech India Limited along with ICMR's National Institute of Virology. The strain of coronavirus was isolated from an asymptomatic patient, and this strain was used for vaccine development by BBIL in May. The Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine. That is, the virus is inactivated and then it is injected into the human body. So, it would not have any potential threat. It will trigger the immune system to develop antibodies and work against it. If you are interested to know more about how vaccine work, please refer to my video on how vaccine works. I will provide the link in the description. There are various stages of vaccine development, and vaccine development is not an easy process. It takes years for a vaccine to come to the market. The first stage is exploratory stage, in which the basic designing of the vaccine happens. Then comes the preclinical stage, where the developed vaccine is tested on animals like mice, monkey, chimpanzee, etc. Next is the clinical stage, where it is tested on human. Clinical stage is a three-step process. During the first phase, that is in phase 1, small group of people receive the vaccine. Generally 20 to 100 healthy volunteers participate, and the researchers try to find the efficacy and safety of the vaccine. In phase 2, several hundred volunteers are involved, and in phase 3, hundreds and thousands of volunteers are involved to understand the efficacy and safety of the vaccine. Once the vaccine is found to be effective, it undergoes regulatory review and approval, and then comes the manufacturing and quality control. So you can understand it is a long-term process, and it takes years to have a vaccine available for everyone. Our Covaxin is in the clinical trial phase now. Let's hope it passes through all the stages and is available to the public. The advantage of having indigenous vaccine is that it is expected to be cheaper, and secondly, it will be available to the Indian market first. Thus, if Covaxin works, nothing better than this can happen, right? Now that we have talked about our indigenous vaccine, let me give you an update about the vaccine development worldwide. You can get the detailed update about vaccine development in RAPS COVID-19 Vaccine Tracker. There are 3 vaccines which are currently undergoing phase 3 trial. They are Moderna's mRNA 1273. The trial will begin in July. The second one is University of Oxford and AstraZeneca's AZD 1222. The trial will begin in August. And the third one is Pfizer and BioNTech's BNT 162. The trial will begin in September. You can get the details about the vaccines as well in the vaccine tracker. So I recommend you to go through this site if you are interested to know more about the development of vaccines worldwide. So that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.